You won't believe what Titan Finance Hub brings to the table in 2026. Most people think finance hubs are just another way to manage money, but Titan combines budgeting, savings, and even light investment tools all on one seamless platform. The app allows you to set multiple financial goals, whether it's building an emergency fund, saving for a vacation, or planning for retirement. Titan's smart algorithms automatically allocate your funds toward these goals based on your income, spending habits, and risk preferences. Even small, regular contributions can grow significantly over time thanks to the app's automation. One standout feature is Titan's real-time spending insights. The app monitors subscriptions, bills, and daily expenses, alerting you if you're overspending or at risk of overdraft. The dashboard provides clear, visual representations of your financial health, showing exactly where your money is going and how close you are to achieving each goal. Security is top-notch. Titan uses multi-factor authentication, encryption, and continuous fraud monitoring. All deposits are FDIC insured, and customer support is available via chat or email. The main limitation: Titan Finance Hub focuses on goal-oriented saving and personal finance management. It's not a full brokerage or bank, so if you're looking for advanced investment tools, you'll need to look elsewhere. However, for anyone aiming to automate savings, track spending, and gain actionable financial insights, Titan is a solid choice. So, is Titan Finance Hub worth it in 2026? Absolutely. For anyone looking for a modern, secure, and intelligent way to take control of their finances, this app is well worth checking out. Subscribe to stay updated on the best finance tools that can actually grow your money.